Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the crash test performance of a Fiat 500 and an Audi Q7. Understanding how different vehicle types perform in collisions is crucial for safety. We will explore how factors like size and mass play a vital role in protecting occupants during an impact. It is important to remember that safety ratings are typically given within a vehicle's own class. The Fiat 500, a popular compact car, has demonstrated strong safety within its class, earning a 5-star Euro NCAP rating. However, its smaller size and lighter mass present challenges in collisions with much larger vehicles. The limited crumple zone means less energy absorption, potentially leading to greater forces on occupants during a severe impact with a heavy SUV. Conversely, the Audi Q7, a large SUV, consistently achieves top safety awards, such as the highest EAS recognition. Its considerable mass and longer front end contribute to a more effective crumple zone, absorbing significant crash energy. This design helps distribute impact forces more broadly, resulting in lower injury risks for its occupants in many collision types. When directly comparing the crash performance, the Audi Q7 provides substantially better occupant protection than the Fiat 500. The sheer difference in mass and structural integrity means the smaller car's safety features are often overwhelmed. Therefore, for overall crash safety in a wide range of real-world scenarios, the larger and heavier Audi Q7 proves to be the more protective vehicle.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.